Good morning, everybody. This is one of our little baby 347s, 425 horsepower, made about 430 something, about 460 foot-pounds of torque. This happens to be a carburetor, Edelbrock 750, runs fantastic on this little motor. We got our MSD distributor in here, got a little alternator kit on here, and again, all our goodies in this motor. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. We're happy to take on the challenge because we will perform. Peace. All right, Henry, I got your 1964 Ford Falcon engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our little 347, and it's a beautiful ass little motor. It's going to give you years of enjoyment in that car. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo. Very nice. AFRs are perfect, oil pressure is beautiful. Idle right where I want it.